Shae Russell from mining.com.au, and I'm coming to you once again from the Resources Rising Stars Conference here on the Gold Coast. And sitting next to me is Shane Pike, the Managing Director for Great Western Exploration. Shane, how are you?
Yeah, good, Shae. How are you?
Good, thank you. Listen, I always love talking about copper gold projects. Let's go over what's happening at Oval and Oval South out in Western Australia.
Yeah, look, this is our big one, Shae. We're looking for giant Winu-style intrusive-related copper gold targets. And Winu is an enormous copper gold system that Rio has, and we think that's what Oval and Oval South is, and we'll be drill testing this late this month.
Now, in previous conversations, you've mentioned that Rio picked over this area back in the 90s, and I believe Sandfire has done millions of dollars worth of work on this ground, and yet you still retain 100% ownership. What does this mean for the company?
Yeah, good point. Lots of work has been done. Some big names have been in there, as you say, Rio Tinto, Xstrata, Sandfire Resources. Now, Rio actually were looking for their Winu before they had their Winu. They were looking for giant copper deposits, in the Xstrata Basin. They identified it with an electromagnetic survey as their priority one target. They went and drilled it, but with the technology they had, the conductor wasn't where they thought it was. We picked up the ground about a decade later, went into a joint venture with Sandfire Resources, which continued on the work and utilising more modern geophysics techniques and modelling, found that the conductor that Rio had identified was actually 70 metres below where their drill hole finished, so they missed it. During that time, Sandfire was building their project in Botswana. They picked up Matza in Spain. They exited from Australian exploration completely and handed back this project to us after spending $4.5 million on it. We're happy to ride on the coattails of others.
So obviously there's been a lot of work done on this ground. Tell me, what are you going to do between now and the next 4 months?
Yeah, look, we'll go and drill test this. We'll put some 4 deep holes between 600 to 800 metres into this project. We're going to start at Oval. We're going to put 2 holes there. We're going to do some downhole electromagnetic work to make sure we're targeting the right spot. Take a short break and then continue on at Oval South. Even if we get mineralisation in core, it's a big target we're aiming for. We're going to be drilling it with a small drill bit. We're going to do this downhole work and make sure we're hitting the right spots.
Now, do I hear that this is the largest copper gold target being explored for this year in Australia?
That's our belief. It is the largest copper gold target, and if it was to come in, if it's what we think it is, it's going to be of significant wealth to our shareholders.
You are absolutely working by stealth. As I said at the start of today's conversation, I love a copper gold story. I look forward to what comes next out here. Thank you so much, Shane.
Thank you, Shae.